That job application or tutorial you're recording deserves better than a grainy, echoey clip shot with your laptop's built-in mic. You don't need a film crew to look professional, you just need the right setup and the right tool. Let's get your lighting, audio, and framing dialed in, then record something you'll actually want to send. Start with the basics before you even hit record. Grab any camera you've got, phone, webcam, or laptop cam, but skip the built-in mic and use a USB mic or lavalier instead, so you're not picking up fan noise or that hollow echo. Sit facing your light source, not with a window behind you, jot a few bullet points instead of a full script, and frame yourself at eye level with your eyes, about a third of the way down from the top of the shot. If you just want something quick and shareable, Loom is your friend. Sign up at loom.com, install the desktop app, and click the camera icon in the toolbar to pick Cam Only or Screen Plus Cam. Choose your camera and mic from the drop-downs, hit the red Start Recording button, and look right at the lens, not your own preview. Stop with the Stop button or Alt plus Shift plus P, and Loom will pop the video open in your browser where you can trim it and grab a shareable link instantly. Want something closer to broadcast quality? That's riverside.fm. Make a free account, click Plus, New Studio, name it, and click Create Studio. On the pre-call screen, pick your camera and mic, check your framing in the live preview, then click Join Studio and hit the red Record button. When you're done, stop recording and head to the Recordings tab. You can download separate video and audio tracks or a combined MP4, and since it's recorded locally, your quality holds up even if your Wi-Fi doesn't. If you want total control, OBS Studio is the tool. Install it free from obisproject.com and run the auto configuration wizard, choosing to optimize just for recording. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon, add a video capture device for your webcam, and resize it to fill the frame. Head to Settings, then Output, set the format to MP4, and pick a save folder, then just click Start Recording in the Controls panel and stop recording when you're done. If your browser suddenly won't see your camera or mic, it's almost always a permissions issue. On Windows, click the padlock icon in your address bar, open Site Settings, and set camera and microphone to Allow. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Camera or Microphone, and make sure your browser's toggle is switched on. That's it. Good lighting, clean audio, solid framing, and a tool that fits what you're making, and you've got a self-intro that actually looks intentional. If this saved you some frustration, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more fixes like this.